Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Kitsune Chest and Tranquill Corrupted update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that Tranquill has just launched Corrupt update, and in this update you will see Kitsune stand here, and you can submit your Tranquill and Corrupted Fruit to Kitsune, and he will give you the Kitsune Chest. And you can open the Kitsune Chest to get rare fruit or rare pet. Okay, here you just need to talk to Kitsune. But wait, let me hold Tranquill Fruit here. Okay, it needs to be balanced, guys, between the Tranquill and Corrupted Fruit. Okay, and after you completed the level, the Kitsune will give you the Kitsune Chest. Okay, I'm going to submit my Tranquill plant. Okay, and as you can see, I got my reward, guys. And then if we want to open the reward, well, let me go to my garden, and I'm going to go to my backpack, and I'm going to search for the Kitsune Chest. Okay, and then we just need to click on random place, and wow, I got the lucky bamboo. Okay, and then for your information, all the fruits just got 1 point, so it doesn't matter what kind of fruit. So I recommend you to submit the fruit with lower value, like blueberry or strawberry or tomato, and then the level will increase after you submitting your fruit. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Kitsune Chest in Tranquill Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!